some milk.
We got the button that ejects your date. We got a new episode of it. You know what I'm saying? Love this shit. We got this nigga right here. Let's just play the video. I ain't gonna lie.
I do play a lot of Dungeons and Dragons.
Alright, skip.
Bye-bye.
Skip.
Welcome to
Alrighty, beginning of the video. Alrighty, skip.
a speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of
Okay.
here.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all expenses paid.
This nigga he just looks strange. I can't trust this nigga. The button, but whoever presses the button gets gunned down. Why do you think of so much violence, Lozy?
second date.
This is the button.
Hi. How are you? You make
What
quite
the
the
fuck?
entrance.
And what makes you say that? Just out of curiosity.
You're just like very out there, like very
Her smile is so pretty. Oh my gosh. But I would definitely skip, but her smile is so pretty. She looks so innocent.
colorful. I feel like you kind of are the type of person that kind of takes over the room when you walk in.
Thank
I
you.
feel like
Yeah.
that was definitely backhanded. Simping, if you say so. I mean, I'm racist, so like I don't know what you're talking about, but you know. She smile like you for real. Alright, now we're pushing it.
I'm sorry, I'm actually gonna hit this.
Okay, before I go, I love your eyes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
This boy snapping and shit. He got Elriz. He got Elriz, bruh. This nigga talking about, before you go, I love your eyes. Come on, bruh. Come on now.
Bye-bye. What are you looking for in a partner, Emma?
Honestly, like, I feel like a good time, really, funny person. I want a funny person.
Let's see if we can
okay.
get you somebody good.
Hi. How are you? Good, how are you?
Doing pretty good today. Honestly, I
Oh.
love your outfit.
He looks like he's good at Smash Bros. He looks good at Smash Bros. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just get a vibe from people, bro. Like,
I like the
nigga got the woo.
color thing you're going with.
Thank you. Yeah, it's kind of like a bisexual shirt.
Yeah,
you know what
honestly,
I mean?
buy two.
Yes.
Same here, same
Oh!
here.
Oh my god! The side profile! Holy fuck! Hold on, let me... Oh my god! That boy built like, damn, it's this one character. He got a mouth and no
Quick
chin,
played the
bro.
trombone growing up.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Really?
Yeah, I did.
I'm good at Smash. RDC niggas are good at Smash. What you trying to say? Hey, y'all just a matrix in the system, bro.
Do you still play?
Kind of like on off, like I.
Wait, what did he say?
I'm sorry, I'm quick. Do you
Hold
still
on.
play? Yeah.
here.
Yeah, it's kind of like a bisexual
Hold on,
shirt,
what did he
you know
say?
I mean?
Honestly, buy two.
Yes.
Same here, same
Yeah.
here.
Quavion played the trombone growing up.
Really?
Yeah, I did.
Do you still play?
Kind of like on off, like I
Oh.
played last time, like fully played.
sorry, I'm
Oh,
quick with
that's
this.
so good.
She said, "Oh, this is cringy." She said, "I'm sorry, you're black." Hell no, bro. I would have skipped. I ain't gonna lie. I don't blame her. I don't blame her, bro.
Trumpet your way
I
out
feel
of here.
so bad.
The nigga just ugly. No, I'm sorry, melanated brother, but like, ugh.
Why did you reject him?
I think he might have been a bit younger than me.
He was 16.
Oh,
Just kidding.
oh, I was finna say, bro, stop playing, bro.
That's illegal.
How are you doing?
You know, I'm good. How are you?
Good. I'm Faith.
I'm Emma.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Does Emma make you nervous?
A little bit, yeah.
Why?
Because you're pretty.
You're pretty too.
Oh shit, this makes me cringe. This reminds me of some fucking TikTok interaction with niggas who got goddamn what is that bullshit that custom created goddamn they them goddamn PFPs, bro, and they interact in the comment section or some shit, bro. Ugh.
Thank you.
Am I pretty?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, of course.
Oh, smoke show.
Yeah.
So, what's something fun you've done in the last week?
I went to like my friend's lake house and went like wine tasting.
Nice.
So,
Oh, hell yeah.
love that.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
What the? Oh damn! What happened? I thought we were chilling.
Forgive you.
Thank you.
Sorry,
Oh.
Faith. That was fast.
I know. Am I going too fast?
You do you.
Yo, is she the main character of this video?
Okay. Well,
Bro,
maybe I'll-
somebody get her out, bro. All right, it's time for somebody
I'll
new,
love her
bro.
now.
That's the spirit.
Holy shit.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, what should we talk about?
Okay, so it's all because he's attractive. That's it. All right. That's why. That's why she was skipping them. You could have just said that. You could have just said that.
Tattoos?
I do. I don't have any though.
Okay,
You know,
what do you like?
in terms of tattoos.
Yes.
I do play a lot of Dungeons and Dragons, but I think a 20-sided dice would be so dorky.
Aww. I mean, it was about time, but damn. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yo.
Yo.
Gabrielle,
Oh.
Gabrielle.
No.
Yours is
Oh. Why is she back again? What? Why is she back again? God fucking damn, you can't find love, my nigga? Hold on, bro. Hold on. This is a perfect, hold on, let me go backwards a little bit.
Gabrielle.
Gabrielle.
And yours is
Perfect
Nija.
fucking.
Nija. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Very nice to meet you.
So tell me about yourself.
Graphic designer? Oh, goodness.
Perfect screenshot.
Okay. What's your favorite sport that you've played?
Oh, rugby.
Like, I feel like she just gets onto the video just to skip niggas. No.
Track and tennis.
Track? Okay, so you're fast.
Not anymore.
No.
shoot.
Gabrielle loves shrimp.
I do.
Shrimp?
Yes.
I am allergic to shrimp.
Oh.
I'm
She
allergic to
finna skip that. Oh, she finna skip that nigga because he doesn't like shrimp. I don't like her.
But there's not a deal breaker.
Okay, cool.
What are you looking for in a
Okay.
partner?
Okay.
I'm looking for a ride or die. I'm looking
Okay.
for someone who's also independent.
I know
Yeah.
she doesn't
I
listen
would
to
like
you.
somebody
Definitely
that's
not.
consistent, but then just somebody who's fun. You know what I'm saying? Somebody who's fun, then I appreciate that.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
Do you think Nigel's cute?
Yeah, I like your nose ring.
His
and I
name's
like your tattoo.
Nija. Damn, what the fuck? Who gave him that name? Them niggas fucked his shit up.
Tattoos.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, they're fire.
Do you think she's cute?
I do. You're an attractive human being.
I
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
an attractive human being. Thank you. I appreciate
She
that.
finna
What's
skip
your
him for
sexual
that.
orientation?
Me?
Both of you.
I'm bisexual.
Pansexual. I am transgender. And I haven't dated other trans people.
Could have fooled me. Could have fooled me. What the fuck? No wonder his name is Nija. Oh. Okay.
Well, but I'm open to it. What about you?
What do you mean?
Like, cause bisexual is like, you could care about the gender.
Yeah. I do care about the gender.
Bye bye, Gabrielle.
You're funny. I just want to let you know. We can be
You're
friends though.
awesome. You're awesome. I appreciate it.
I knew it. His voice was a little off. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't see it either. He had the strap-on beard and everything. Okay.
I had a catch.
Nigel, why did you reject her?
Well, she cared about the gender. It's just personal preference. That's cool, but like, I thought we were vibing though.
Maybe you guys could be friends.
We could be friends.
Hell
Let's
yeah.
head to the next date.
How are you?
I'm good.
Who
how
is
are you?
this?
I'm good.
Sapphire, what's one of your red flags?
I like have daddy issues. So
Okay.
I need like reassurance and stuff like
Alright. Red, skip! The fuck?
that. Yeah.
Nija, reassure her. Give her some compliments.
Compliments? Okay, first thing I noticed was
No, he is a little zesty. That's the thing, though. That makes sense.
the piercings. Love the piercings. Second thing, eyes.
Thank you.
Eyes are a
thank
big thing
you.
for me. Yeah, I mean, I can shower you with compliments all day.
Oh, thank you. That's what I like to hear.
Are
Okay.
you sexually attracted to each other?
I definitely am sexually attracted to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, her little laugh. Get that bullshit out of here. What is that? Imagine if she doesn't say it either.
I'm not like super sexually attracted to you. Yeah.
Can I ask why?
Why? Well, just because like since I've been like a lesbian like most of my life,
Okay.
and I just recently
Hey, he falls under the category. You're chilling, bruh. You're chilling. You're good.
started like dating guys and stuff. Yeah, but I'm always open to like whatever, you know.
I shared
Thanks.
last time that I'm transgender.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Hey, he chilling, bruh. He chilling. He falls into that category, bruh. He was a girl, so hey, that's like a cool thing.
Yes.
Yes.
So I don't know if that like plays into your sexuality or
It
anything.
honestly probably would. So
Okay.
it depends on the person, definitely.
Cool.
And I'm an open-minded girl, so
Heyo.
you know, we'll see.
Why the fuck hasn't the button turned red? The hell? Somebody gonna pull up with "I'm queer, no fear" shirt type shit. I would wear that shit. I would. And I wouldn't even be a queer. That's the thing.
Yeah.
All right.
So, what would you say you feel as like spirituality? Like, how do you feel about
All right.
this
All right.
idea?
Bro, why is the button not red yet, bruh? They is playing, bro. Come on, bro. She talking about spirituality, bro. Bro.
You like to go ghost hunting.
Okay.
Ghost hunting? Who do you think you are? What? She thinks she Daddy Phantom. What is she talking about? Ghost hunting?
Like comfortable with that?
Nigga pull out with the goddamn vacuum and like, bro, what does that even mean?
I'm totally comfortable. I mean, I'll
Yo,
I've had some
Button,
sexual encounters.
what are you
really?
doing?
Oh my
Turn
goodness.
red.
I've had contact with some of my family members who've passed on, some of my friends who've passed on.
Bruh, no you haven't, bruh. Somebody scammed your dumb ass, bruh. Stop
And I get
playing.
like certain messages or cues, and I can
You see
make
things
out.
that like cue to them and
Yeah.
stuff.
I wasn't expecting this shit.
The door opened by itself. What the fuck? Is that my dead brother? Like, what the fuck are you talking about, bruh? Come on.
I'm gonna go red one last time, and if neither of you hit me,
Oh, it's been going red. They just keep skipping it. Oh.
I'm setting you two up on a second date.
I'm not gonna hit the button.
Okay, I won't hit it either.
Said if all I gotta be like, yo, I was trans, I was a girl, so we're chilling. You know what I'm saying?
Congratulations. You have won the button.
Yay.
Get your spooky asses out of here.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm surprised somebody actually won, bro. What the fuck?